All right, so task 14, playpen problem. Overview. This problem gives you the chance to find dimension and areas of rectangle. Guys, you notice it's like it's just like repetition. We're doing the same thing over and over because guess what? Most of them is just measurement. That's the main topic. So it's gonna be perimeter area, volume, total surface area, and then how we calculate the unit cost and that. So it's just like the same thing we're doing over and over. So person should be feeling more comfortable. Like last night, I think was very good. Yeah, I think you guys did very well, especially with the grid. I kind of love how you guys handled the grid with the scale and everything. Few persons were saying they didn't understand, but overall it was really good. All right, so that show me that you guys are improving. All right, so this problem give you a chance to find dimension of rectangle. Now we say Patsy is making a playpen for rabbits in her backyard. The fence around the playpen will be 20 feet long. Guys, you notice I always surround these, I always circle these things because these are the things that you're gonna use. Don't forget these little things that they give you in the notes. Patsy draws diagram showing how the fence could be arranged to make 5 different rectangular playpens for her rabbits. So you remember the one that we did with the 5? For those persons who were not here, they can benefit from this one. It's very similar to that one. So see, these are the 5 playpens, possible playpens. They have A, B, C, and D. All right. And remember what they said? They give us the perimeter already. So playpen A is 9 feet long and 1 foot wide. So you see when I get these little measurement, guys, you know what you do? Put it in. So it's a 9 feet long. So that means this part is 9 and this part is 1. You see it? So when they give you these little measurements, you put them in. All right, playpen B is 8 feet long and 2 feet wide. So guess what? You put in them little measurement there. You can start see everything. Right? You need to start see everything. All right. It has an area of 16 square feet. So they tell you about that one. All right. So let's look at what they say now. What are the measurements of the other 3 playpens? So I want you guys to draw these 3 and tell me what you think would be the measurement of these 3 playpens. So you're gonna do for C, D, and E, and tell me what you guys got. And then you're gonna fill out this little table. So it's a playpen C is that long and that wide. Playpen D is that long and that wide. Playpen E is that long and that wide. If you understand what I'm saying, right? So go ahead, guys, and complete that task, following the pattern that they set up here. So you can just look at these and kind of have an idea. All right, WhatsApp it to me, please. I want everyone to work on it. So don't call out the answer yet, all right? But we can discuss after.
Okay, sir. Sorry, can I zoom it in a little bit, please, because I can't see it.
Sir, I don't understand.
You sure, David? You sure you can't see?
I was asking if you can zoom in a little bit because I can't see it.
Sir, it might be his screen.
Yeah, because I think I'm basically zoomed in almost like for the entire page, so you can't even go.
Wait,
like
did
that?
you zoom it?
Okay, sir. It was zoomed in.
Oh,
Sir, sir,
hmm?
I don't understand.
To put in the measurements based on what the 2 that they gave you. Have to try, man. Can't just say you don't understand.
Sir?
Hmm?
I'm sending my answer on WhatsApp.
Alright. But guys, you see what they did, right? Don't call the answer for the persons who know, right? It's a Patsy is making a playpen for a rabbit in your backyard. Guys, you have to read it and then interpret it, you know. You can't just look at it and say, well, I mean, I understand. Because it's rather simpler than you think, alright? So it's a Patsy is making a playpen for rabbits in your backyard. The fence around the playpen will be 20 feet long. You notice that they gave you that? I even underline it. So that should, all of them should have that measurement. Correct? So it's a party draw diagram showing how the fence could be arranged to make the 5 different rectangles. So the first one, they say play pen A is 9 feet long and 1 foot wide. It has an area of 9. I gave you these two are the key in order to figure it out. So you have to analyze these two carefully and then take it from there. Alright? But you can't say you don't understand without reading and trying. Alright? It's best you try it and then I say not quite or whatever. Alright? Mila, you can go ahead.
Sir, I can go.
Yeah man, go ahead now.
So, sir, how about answer for C? I noticed that the pattern is like they subtract 1 from the length and they add 1 to the width. It's like when they subtract 1 from the length, they put the one that they subtracted from the length to the width to add 1. So as for 7, like they subtracted 8 by 1 to get 7, and they added to 2 to get 3. And like if we do the calculation, length plus width plus length plus width, you would get 20. 7 plus 7, 14. 3 plus 3 is 16.
So what's the measurement for C?
So the long part is for 7, and the small part is for 3, because the length is always the longest part.
Alright. Thanks so much. Do we agree, class, with what Mila has said? She says that she just take off 1 half of the length and put on the width.
Yes, sir, I agree.
Alright, thanks so much. Alright, Jaden, go ahead. What's for D and how you know?
Sir, so by looking at the diagrams, you would observe that both the length and the width, if you add them 2 times, you get 20 feet. So for D, you would have to calculate which 2 numbers you can add 4 times to get 10, and I got 5 feet for the length and the width.
For D?
Yes,
Which
sir.
one you did? D or E?
No, sir, not D. 6 feet long and 4 feet wide.
Alright. So Ian, you're for E now. Ian, E. You see that, guys? Ian, E. Ian. Go ahead, Ian.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You're
sir.
for E. You're gonna do E now.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So I had for E 5 feet long and 5 feet wide.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, someone actually did the first two like this with the 7364, right? But I think the person was thinking, yo, this can be a square, you know. So no way it can be 5, 5. We had discussed that already, right? A rectangle, a square is a rectangle actually, while a rectangle is not a square. So even though this is 5, 5 and it's a square, it is still a rectangle. So a rectangle, no, a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square. We had discussed it when we were doing the other paper, right? So square is a rectangle. So I think that's why the person had gone to say, all right, there's no way it can be 5, 5, you know. So let me just change it to point to the decimal. But 5, 5 is correct. All right, that would be correct, guys. Well done. So for the persons who are saying that they don't understand, this should do some clarity, guys. We have to use observation. And what I like about Miller, she said that she add it up to give the 20. Guys, this is the key. all of it should add up to 20. You realize that it's the perimeter, right? So they tell you that it's the perimeter without tell you that it's the perimeter, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Facts.
That's actually true because it didn't say like
yeah,
square on it or
that is
cube.
it. So there's just a change in the shape, all right? With different measurement, but it's the same thing. All right, so Jeremiah was saying that he did this part already. So it says now, what are the, oh, this is what we just did. Let me just fill up this, guys. This was what, 7, 3, 6, 4. It's because I like to work on the diagram, make everybody can see. Sometimes this comes like another task, but why it's not really another.
Sir,
Can you scroll up, sir?
Sir David said he doesn't understand. His brain hurt.
What part of it, David? The measurement, the 4 sides should add up to
Yes, sir,
20.
because the measurements isn't like the normal one I normally do in class, because the ones we do in class,
Hold on,
they
JD.
give us two
David.
numbers to work out at once.
No man, David. You have to grow. You have to be willing to grow, alright? Extra class is for you to learn extra things, alright? So you have to accept that. But we explain it and we say, listen, they said that it should add up to 20. Now we know that the opposite sides are equal. You know that, right? So if this is 9, this is also 9. So 9 plus 9, 18 plus the 1 and 1, that is 2, which is 20. So they gave you the first 2 for you to observe and look at it. Now 8 plus 8 is 16, 2 plus 2 is 4, 16 plus 4 is 20. So you have to follow that same pattern. This is almost like a mental ability kind of question, where you have the pattern. We did so many of those. Probably that's why kids are just running through that part. The ones who were here before, because you have so many patterns and stuff that I think, see, so 7 plus 7, that's 14. 6, 3 plus 3, 6. Remember, the opposite sides are equal, you know, and it should always give you 20. So you're just observing it. All right?
Yes, sir.
And if you look, it's like you're counting. 9 counting down with this one. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. While with this one, it's like you're counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't this like the mental ability?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's just observation, man. You're not gonna see it exactly like what you use, you know, but you're gonna use the knowledge to say, all right, opposite sides are equal, and the perimeter should be 20. The total distance around is by adding. All right, Jeremiah said he already did this part. So he says the bigger the area of the playpen, the more rabbit it will hold. Find the area of the playpen C, D, and E. So guys, please do that for me. Find the area of each of.
Sir, can I do the working out?
Yeah, man. But what I want you to do,
Sir, can I do the working of one of the areas, sir?
I'm gonna give you this one, Jeremiah, the second one.
Sir, what do you say?
I know I want everyone to work it out first. I don't want persons to just, because I want everyone to be working.
So we have to work out the area. So we have to work out the area for understand. So we have to work out the area to understand.
Jimmy Raya.
Nika, sir.
Oh, Maya, M.I.
Jimmy Raya.
So we have to work out all the squares and area. Most of all this.
Yeah, man, you're gonna work it out for all.
Okay, sir.
So, you have to work it out for A, B as well?
No, the instructions say C, D, and E. Look at it. Let me go up here. go back now, guys. That's very important, you know. Look what this is. It says find the area of the playpen. The more the rabbit is old. Find the area of playpen C, D, and E. Only 3. Alright? So guys, you have to be careful with that. It's for C, D, and E only. It didn't ask for the others. Guys, I'm trying to find out who was the first person who volunteered for the area. I didn't get the name.
Nika, sir.
Nika, okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Who wants to do the third one? No one?
Me, sir.
Just give me the name, guys. Don't say me.
Romanique.
Oh, Romanique. Alright. Guys, you know Romanique in a real life, you know. Look up yourself, Romanique. She is my neighbor at school. Alright. So guys, let us see how many minutes we need to do that, to find the area of those 3. Based on the fact that we did them several times already, how many times you think is reasonable?
3.
3 minutes? Alright, somebody finish already. And they're all correct. Very good. And that's Kaylee. Very good, Kaylee.
Sir, but Nika centers.
Sophia, careful of the units doing, guys. Remember, it's area, not perimeter. So we can say feet long. It should be. Nahelia, why you do A? It says C. I didn't. Hold on there. Sorry, my eyes are fool me. So you do A. Oh, area. Okay. But you do A, man, because you get 9 centimeters square. You shouldn't do it. You shouldn't do this one, guys. Look why you shouldn't do it, guys. Let me show you how it is. Did they give us up here? Look at it.
Yeah.
They actually gave us it already. Look, let me go back up and show you guys. So they gave us the area, right? They said Patsy's making a playground for a within a background. The fence around the pen will be 20 feet long. Patsy draw a diagram showing how the fence would be arranged. 5 different rectangles for a playpen rabbit. Oh, they didn't give us wait. I'm sure I saw that. Wait. Or is further down. Come on for this. I'm sure I saw that they gave us the area already.
Sir, mine.
See there, they say playpen A is 9 feet long and 1 foot wide. It has an area of 9 square feet. They
Excuse
gave us
me,
that
sir.
already. And then it said playpen B is 8 feet long and 2 feet wide. It has an area of 16 square feet. So guys, no one should be doing A and C when they already gave us those answers. You will not get extra mark for those. And if you do A and B and don't do the others, you would lose all the marks. So guys, please to follow the instructions that they are giving you. Alright, it's very important. We talk about that several times. Do exactly what they ask you to do. Alright?
Excuse me, sir. You're supposed to multiply. Like find the area.
Yes.
Yes, for C, D, and E.
Yeah. You have to find the area. Alright, so Nika, we're gonna take yours. Your explanation.
Sir, did you see mine?
I'm gonna respond to them, guys. Let's go. Go ahead, Nika.
Okay, so
Fire
sir, for,
change. Thanks.
so for C, since it is a rectangle, it would be length times width, which is 7 times 3, and that is 21 feet square.
Thank you for saying feet square because someone actually gave me feet long. Guys, come on, we talk about that so many times. All right, so Jeremiah, I think I spelled your name wrong. You know?
Yes,
So I
sir.
sent the answer for D.
Yeah, man, go ahead,
Alright.
Jeremiah. I'm looking at them, guys. I'm looking at.
All right, sir. For D,
Okay.
you're gonna multiply you're gonna for D, sir. You're gonna multiply the 6 times the 4, sir. And 6 times 4 is 24 feet square, sir.
All right, thanks so much for saying that. All right, so 6
You're
4
welcome,
is
sir.
24. Yeah.
Sir, can I do E?
Oh, Romanique is gonna do it already. Remember, some person volunteered before. All
So
right.
I sent my answer
Okay,
on
sir.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, man, I'm checking them. Go ahead, Romanique. I know that you guys sent it before the others do it. I'm responding, guys. But just keep going. Just Romanique, go ahead.
Sir, since E is a square, the area would be really easy to find. You could say 5 times 5 because area is length times width. So, and the length and the width is equal. So 5 times 5 is 25. So that means the area would be 25 square feet.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much. All right. So as you said, guys, 25 square. All right, guys.
Hello?
So let's go down. Good job. So guys, all they wanted was to just find the area, which is just length times width. One of them is a square, as Romanique said, that makes it a bit easier because it's just 5 times 5. All right. I love that you guys say feet square. But remember, the objective is not just to find the area, but to find out to find the area of the playpen, right? So you want to find out which one of them can hold the most rabbits. And they gave us this, well, we actually showed it up there already. So let me just do it down here. It was 7 feet times 3 feet. Even though you guys explained, we could just fill in this quickly.
Alright.
It's 21 feet square.
Alright, sir.
And then this one was 6 feet
Excuse me, sir.
times 4 feet.
Bruh.
Sir? Sir,
Yeah, man.
today we got a mathematics mock exam and I end up getting 17 out of 20.
Okay. Come to the other tree. Never bother want the
What do you
other
say,
tree.
sir?
Come to the other tree. You never want that?
No, sir. I just got 2 wrong. Like the last one requires 2 marks.
Okay. Or you needed more time to figure it out?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I guess you have to work harder so you can get a little faster. Alright? That was pretty close to the 20 out of 20, so you could have gotten that. Good job, though. Good job. Alright, so 3 says, Patsy wants as many rabbits as possible to ramp around in her playpen. The Rabbit Center had advised Patsy that she needs an area of at least 5 square feet for each rabbit. How many rabbits can Patsy place in her playpen with the biggest area? What's up this one to me also, guys, alright? So again, Patsy wants as many rabbits as possible to ramp around in her playpen. The The Rabbit Center had advised Patsy that she needs an area of at least 5 square feet for each rabbit. How many rabbits can Patsy place in the playpen? And then they say, explain how you figured it out. Anyone want to
Sir,
volunteer to do it before we even begin?
Nika, sir.
Who want to volunteer? Give me a name.
Nika, sir.
Nika. Alright. So when the time come, Nika. Oh, this step on something there, you know. Step on Kepler. Alright, so you will explain. Explain how you figure it out. Alright, you can send them now, guys. Send the answers and then we can proceed. Alright, I would agree with that, Tanisha. Let me see if it's Tanisha. It's actually Abriana. Abriana, I agree. I agree with this person also.
Sir,
Hmm?
when I did that square, most of my classmates were actually jealous of me.
You finish this one, Ian. Abby, very good, very good. Alright. Abriana also. And Jaden, that's Jaden Walters. Correct. Kimani said playpen E. So Kimani said how many rabbits he can hold. So work out that part now. Alright.
I don't understand.
Me either, sir. Me either, me understand.
Me too, sir.
Bet. But I'm not sure.
Explain, sir. Explain.
No man, we have to allow persons to go through, guys. Guys, you see, if you have that mentality to say, oh, explain and don't try, just explain, you won't learn, you know. You have to be trying for yourself. It's better you try and make a mistake and somebody correct you, but
Sir.
don't be saying that, oh, do that, sir. Sapphire correct.
Say me just say 10 feet or something like that.
Pyramid, check it again. Did you guys read this? Guys, I'm teaching you how to approach a question by underlining the important facts and so on. Yeah, Kimani, correct. Alice, correct. Alice, I don't want to call it Alice. Alice, correct. Check that one here now.
Sir, I figured it out. I'm writing my explanation, sir.
Alright.
And then I send it to you, sir.
Kaylee, correct also. Good job. Lakoy, let me check yours. Yeah, Lakoy, correct. Alian, correct also.
Sir, I sent it to you, sir.
Alright. Alright, Nathaniel, notice.
Sir, I work for my Susan.
Alright. Correct, Jeremiah. Nahelia. Correct also. Thanks for
Thank
giving
you,
me
sir.
yeah. And thanks for giving me the reasoning. I love that you guys could explain why. I like that part of it. The answer alone wouldn't be sufficient. What about Remini? Finish? Oh. Yeah, Remini, correct. What about Janelle? Oh, I got it. Yeah, Janelle, correct. Correct, Janelle, well done. Guys, I'm getting confident by the moment. All right. So, the person that said they don't understand, you figured it out yet? Did you read over this thing where it said Patsy wants as many rabbits as possible to ramp around in her playpen? The Rabbit Center had advised Patsy that she needs an area of at least 5 square feet for each rabbit. How many rabbits can Patsy place in the playpen with the biggest area? All right, David, thanks. Noted. All right, so Nika, I'm going to put you on the floor now.
Okay, so the way I explained is that for in the task below, we found the area for rectangles C and D and for the square E. And the E has the area of 25 feet square, so I use that since it was the biggest. And it said to use at least 5 square feet for each rabbit. So if you divide the 25 by 5, you get 5 square, which means that the pen can hold the 5 rabbits maximum.
Guys, did you see that each rabbit needs 5 square feet? How many square feet do you have? 25. So you have to divide the 25 by the 5, which will give you 5 rabbits. Remember, guys, I've said that so many times. Task 1 is related to task 2. Task 3 is related to task 2, and so on and so on. It's a continuation. That is why up here they make you find the perimeter, they make you find the area, because they know you're gonna make you use the area again. So you have to read it and continue the project. It's like doing a project for school. Alright, and you're doing it step by step. That's all. There's nothing to fear of it. Just know that, yeah, gonna get some tasks. You can even look at the overview to know what you are required to do. The overview normally tell you you do some perimeter, you got the area, you got the volume, you got the total surface area, you got the unit. They tell you. So you have to read the heading at all times. If you're working and then you forget, what may I do again? Go back up the top and read it. That will give you the sense of direction and what you need to know and know about. Alright? That's it basically. So yeah, I agree. It's 5 rabbits.
Then we can calculate, man.
Oh, it actually finished, guys. That one too. That was a short one. Alright, let me find a I wanna find one with some decimal or so. I think we struggle with decimal a bit. So let me see if we find one with that. No, this is not wrong, you know. We can do one more. We have 40 minutes. I could do that one here. Statistics. I think grade 5 students would love this, because guess what? Grade 5
Yes,
students,
sir. I would love this.
Grade 5 students gonna do statistics on theirs. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do another one, guys. That was good. You notice that we're doing it faster? Yeah, because guess what? You guys are improving. So big up everyone. All right, so this one says cricket players. The task challenges a student to demonstrate understanding of measure of center, the mean, the median, and range. A student must be able to use measures of center and spread, which is the mean, median, and range, to solve problems. And students must determine the total weight of players given, the mean weight. A student must make sense of how additional data affects the mean weight when additional players were added. So that's what we're going to be doing. By just reading this, we know what we're going to be doing. What are we going to be doing on this task, guys?
Statistics.
Yeah, specifically what aspect of it? What we're going to be finding?
Mean, median, and range.
Exactly. They didn't say anything about any mode, right? So that is it, guys. You read it and you understand. All right, this is what we're gonna be doing, and then now you do your task. So grade 5, especially statistics is your thing. I'm definitely gonna be doing this again for grade 5 because guess what? It's one of their main topics. And
Thank you, sir. Being a grade 5.
Yeah. You're gonna be so advanced because you're exposed to a lot already. Normally, guys, when persons join from younger farm, trust me, by the time they reach grade 6, we can do prep already. And then just have a grade 6. Alright, so you said the task challenges students. Oh, we read that part already. Yeah, man, it's true. The mean weight of 9 players on a cricket team is 177 pounds. Find the total weight of the 9 players. Show your working. Try that one, guys. I think I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. No calculating, use your brain. So the mean weight of 9 players on a cricket team is 177 pounds. Find the total weight, or you can call it the aggregate. Aggregate means when you add up all the 9 players, you get that weight. So you guys go ahead and send me that one.
When we're done, so we're supposed to send it to you?
Yeah, man. Awesome job. Well done, sir. Well done. Yeah, man. Just WhatsApp me. Hi, good night. I will send you info here because I'm on a marathon now. Guys, are somebody want to join the class now? Put my number just in case. We'll put it on YouTube by chance.
Sir,
Hmm?
while we work out the problem, so you can pause the recording.
Oh, yeah, man. But I know you guys won't finish.
Look, see there. You send them no work. See there.
Some person finish already? Alright, that's what we got it.
Awesome. Well done.
Thanks,
Sir.
guys.
Well done.
Sir, I sent in my answer.
Yeah, that's what I'm realizing.
Sir, can I write this one on, please?
Yeah, man. So Lakai will work this one. Yeah, Lakai is correct. Not only Lakai, I saw King David. David, yours is also correct. Janelle, correct also.
Thank you, sir.
Abriana, need to thank you guys for being awesome. Abriana, correct also. Good job. Alright, let me check Nathaniel. Nathaniel, correct also. Good job, sir. Also, why me I mean if you see that person name. person named Jam in my phone. I don't know who that. Somebody new, you know. Person was here yesterday. Oh, Jamar. Let me just save your name, Jamar. I don't know. I think because TikTok give me that when I was saving it. I save it as.
Straight on my phone. Straight on my phone, sir. I'm on my laptop now, sir.
Okay, okay. No man, it's fine.
My name is Antoine Smith, sir.
Alright. So Jamar, yours is also correct. Abby, Sapphire, soon check yours. Yeah, Abby, correct. Sapphire, let me check out yours now. Let me let him back now here. Sakina, yours is correct. Kimani. This one catch a Kimani. This one catch a off guard. Kaylee, yours is correct. Alright. Thanks so much, guys. Kalian. Correct. That's a 9, right? Yeah. It's correct. It's correct. I was wondering if it's a 9. So go ahead, Lakoy. Give your explanation. Thanks so much for the guys who responded. Very good, guys.
Okay, sir.
Tell me time is man, sir.
Last Lakoy?
No, sir.
Oh,
You want me to begin now?
Yeah, man. Begin.
Okay, so another word for mean is average. It says the average weight of 9 players on a cricket team is 177 pounds. Find the total weight of the 9 players. Okay, so the only logical way you can do this in my head is to multiply it. Since you have to divide the number which you add up all the players' pounds and divide it by 9. So the opposite of divide is multiply. So you would have to multiply the 177 by 9. After you do that, you can recheck to see if you got back the 77.
All right. So you're saying multiply this by 9. All right. So go ahead and multiply.
After doing so, you would get 1,593.
So 1,593.
So that's what I did too, sir.
Yeah.
Pounds, sir.
Pounds. Very good. All right. So guys, how you know that it should be multiplied and not divided? Because some persons are thinking, well, 9 players, 177 pounds, we should divide to find the mean. How you know that you should multiply?
Sir, it's because the opposite of divide is multiply.
All right. So Romanique, you have your hand up. You want to go to? Thanks so much, Lakoy.
Yes, sir. As Lakoy said, the opposite of divide is multiply. So you would reverse what you did to get the average.
Very good. Also, there's a keyword that suggests that you shouldn't divide. What word is that? Look at it carefully. It says
total,
the mean.
sir.
Yeah. Can you see the word total of the 9 players?
Sir, there's a thing that my teacher taught me. He said that the total is similar to multiplication and subtraction is similar to division.
Yeah.
because with division you have to use subtraction, and with multiplication you have to use addition.
Very good. Because multiplication is just repeat addition. Pick up a teacher for me tomorrow. Alright? Yeah, man. He's doing a great job. So you say, guys, because it says the total of the 9 pairs. Remember, you know, how we get the mean? We added all the numbers and divide by the total number of numbers that we added. So it's 9 players. So it's some number. We find the total of some number and we divide it by 9, and the result should be 177. So to find that number, we just multiply 9 by 177. Very good. I love the explanation. Every day I say that, guys. You guys are awesome. The schools are actually lucky. You guys are going to be coming there and not the other way around. I know you guys are thinking, well, I'm going to a top school, so I'm the lucky one. They are the lucky one that they are getting you guys, all right? Because the foundation is already set, so you guys will do awesome there. All right, let's go on to 2. Before we start it, can we get a volunteer to do it? No, not yet. You guys want to do it first?
Me, sir.
Who is me? Just give me the name. No name? All right. Let's look at it then as a group. So it says the mean weight of 9 players and 3 reserve players is 188 pounds. So the mean weight of 9 players and 3 reserve players is 188 pounds. Find the mean weight of the 3 reserve players. Show how you figured it out. So guys, you can go ahead, figure it out first, and then if you still want to, if somebody want to volunteer, you can go ahead after. So if you want to try it first, I don't have a problem. So go ahead, try it, and then
The one that we just did was 1,593.
Yeah, the aggregate was 1,793, and the mean weight was 177. So let me. You want me to write back? I can write back all of those information.
I would like to try again if that is okay with you.
Yeah, man, it's okay. So you will go again. So it's the total weight was somebody want to know it was what 1793. Forgetting it. Oh Lord. 1,593.
1,593.
Yeah. Let's write back all that information. So we don't have to go back. And the mean was 177. And there were 9 players. So I'm just writing the information so persons can. We have to go back up. Alright? That's all I'm doing here. So use that to figure it out, guys. Okay. Let's think about it now, right? We come back to how they calculate mean and everything. So them say now the mean weight of 9 players and 3 reserves player is 188 pounds. Find the mean weight of the 3 reserve players. Bear in mind that we know the mean and also the aggregates total of the other what I say now, the 9 players. So let's reason with me. Many of you are on the right path. Just one mistake. Let me just show you that. This 188, how many players mean does this represent?
12.
Yes. But many persons are thinking it's 9. It's 12 players. So if it's 12 players, mean is 188. What does that mean? It means that we have divided a number by 12 to give us 188.
12.
Isn't that what we're saying? We divide a number by 12 and the result is 188. Because we added 12 numbers and then divided by 12 and we got 188. So wouldn't we try to find the aggregate score or the total? And then we can compare. Tell me if you're following me. How do we find mean of the 12 players?
Yes.
Added 12 numbers and divided by
Yes.
12, right?
Yes, sir.
You guys just tell me at the top that's to take the inverse because they divide. So that's what we're gonna do again. So we're gonna multiply 188 by 12. That will give us the aggregate score. Agree? Let me
Yes,
know.
sir.
So
Yes,
2, 8,
sir.
16, 6 carry 1. 2, 8, 16 plus 1, 7.
7 and 1.
7 carry 1. 2 ones, 2 plus 1, 3. Add a 0 because you know we're going to be multiplying by 10. 188, 188, and 111. So this will be 6, 7 and 8, 15, 5 carry 1. 8 and 1, 9, and that 12. Somebody talking in the video. And then this would give us a total of 256. Now, what is the significance of this? So this is the aggregate score. But guess what? We already know how much the 9 players added up to. Didn't we know that? Think
Yes,
about it.
sir.
So we can find this extra weight if you want to look at it that way. So what we do, we're going to subtract the 9 players' weight. How many players' weight would leave after you subtract the 9 out of it?
3.
Yes, so that is what we're going to do. 3 from 6, that's 3. 9 from 5, you can't. But we take 1 now. 9 from 15, 6. 5 from 1, you can't, so we borrow 1 again. That leave 11. So this is going to be 663. So if 3 players' weight is 363, how can we find the mean from that?
You divide that by 3.
That is it.
Sir, I got that before you started working out.
Yeah. Kaylee got it also, but she was not confident to say it. Alright? So that would be the mean. Because we know the aggregate score, so we just subtract the 9 players weight from the 12 players aggregate, and that would leave 3, and we just divide it by 3. So guys, everything is in the reading. A lot of people think that persons have mathematical problems. It's actually reading and interpreting. That is why I'm hosting these marathons nightly, because I realized there was a deficiency in like reading and interpreting. So I think the more we do it, the easier it will become for persons. Guys, I know it's 8:30, but we're gonna continue for a while, alright? So the opposing cricket team has 9 players whose weights in pounds are 174, 176, 194, 162, 196, 169, 187, 192, 178. Find the median and the range of these weights. So go ahead and do that. The median and the range.
Sir?
Hmm. Finish? Guys, we did find the median and range in this class already. Didn't we do statistics? Where we start from finding the mean, the mode, the median, the range, and then we further went on to do like tally, frequency curve, all of those. Didn't we do all of those? What would be the median of those numbers? And then what would be the range? And we also did stem and leaf, guys. Remember? Alright guys, how do we find the median?
You have to put the numbers in ascending
Add up
order.
everything and divide by the number. Divide by how many numbers?
That's the mean. That's what we were doing up there, so.
Median, you have to put them in ascending order and see which one
Or
is in the
descending.
middle.
So which number is the smallest number?
Sir, I'll send it back, sir.
This
160.
was 62. 162.
Yeah. And then
169.
169.
169.
174.
Wait guys, take your time. Alright,
So look on my
174.
And then 177.
Then 177.
172.
And then 178.
Each time you just rub off them so you don't get confused, right? So this comes
Okay,
to
so
178. It's
and then
very
one-
easy to make a mistake because I was trying to freestyle it in my brain.
190.
Let's do the 187 first.
Yeah, so the 187.
Yeah, it will be 187.
Then 192.
192.
Then
then
194 and then 196.
Yeah. So we're looking for the one in the middle.
one in the middle.
So you start from this 2 and you take 2 this side. 3, you take 3. 4, 4.
Sir, it would be 178.
Yeah. That's it.
Correct.
Yeah. So it's 178. Many persons gave me that. Well done. What about the range now? What's the largest number?
The largest number is
196.
196.
Yeah. Remember, you know, guys, after you arrange it in ascending order, it will be so easy to find this. So you subtract and you get 4.
34.
Yeah,
34.
The answer is 34.
correct. Alright, guys, because time is going and everything, it's a draw stem and leaf plot with the weight of the players above. So how would we draw this stem and leaf?
Sir, for the
We would have
stem,
to
and the stem,
One
under the
person then.
Sir, it's like a T, but the straight line is a little bit higher.
Yeah, obviously.
Sorry, the stem is under.
sir,
Hmm?
you put the numbers are in tens under the stem.
Give me an example.
So basically, I will give the
150 is an example. So you put the 15 under the stem.
No man,
and
use the 162. That's the number we're gonna start. Give me this.
162. You put the 16 under the stem and the 2 under the leaf.
Alright. That's it. So guys, this is 162 because the leaf can only have a single digit number. Can't have no double digit. Alright? On the stem that hold everything. Leaf only holds single digit. So for 162, it would be 1, 6, and then 2. Put your comma. You check if there are more in the 160s,
9,
right?
sir.
Would
169.
we need to write 16 again?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir, only 9.
9.
No, sir, we
This is
take right
160.
9.
That's
Yeah.
right, 2 and 9, please.
Or would we continue with the others?
We put the 7.
Write the first 2
17.
digits, sir, and then write their last digit.
Yeah. So we need 18 and 17 and then 9.
Then 19.
Yeah. And then we just put on the numbers. So for example, 174. Remember now we already arranged it in ascending order, so it should be very easy. Put the 7. That's 177. So easy because the 17 is there already. We're done with the 7s now. On to the 8s. Only one in the 8s though. 187. So we just drop the 7. For 9, we have 2, 4, 6, right? So that's 192, 194, 196. What is missing? Open door. What is missing, guys, from this stem and leaf?
Excuse me, sir.
The
The number that
Sir.
should be arranged from smallest to largest.
But you need something to show them that what that they know it is a 3-letter word. Let me give you some clues. I know you guys are tired. 3-letter word.
Yeah. Key.
Yeah, you would have a key, guys. And just as a Kalyan say, you put this and you show them that it's a 162. Alright? And that's it. I know you guys are tired. Ramaniki, had your hand up or it was a long time?
Yes, sir. My teacher said that under the stem you can have more than one digit because that would technically represent the tens. For instance, the 162. 16 tens is 160 plus 2 is 162.
Yeah, man, that's correct. But on the leaf, you can only have single digit number. So let's push this a little. Let's say we wanted to write 1839. How do we go about that? Anyone? 1839. How we go about that?
You just put 183 at stem and you just put 9 at leaf.
Thank you so much. So guys, as long as you know that it's the leaf, only the single digit number, we got through all of this already, you know. Very good. Alright, what if you wanted to write the digit 8 only? How do you go about that?
So you put 0 at stem and you just put 8 at leaf.
That is it. Alright.
That's stem and 8.
Yeah, so that is covered, guys. Alright, very good, very good. Alright, so we're watching the time, but guess what? I'm gonna just try see if we can look at this. If it's not too hard, we can just run through it. It says all 140 players in the league reported their weight in the registration form. Some information about their weight is given below. Create a histogram. No, guys, it's not good. Unless I can take a screenshot and send it to the group and you guys do it. This is gonna take a lot. Create a histogram to display the players' possible weight based on the information. 10 players weigh less than 140 pounds. 10 players weigh 40 pounds or more. Most players weighed between 160 and 180 pounds. Half of the players weighed 180 pounds or more. In order to win a cricket match, the players must be fit and lean. They need to move quickly and outkick. I don't know why all of this is unnecessary. So, what is the reason for your choice? The bowlers especially must be of modest weight. If you are to be the team coach, which of the 4 groups would not be selected for the upcoming cricket match? That is correct. I want you to bench some people, guys. Let me see what else they in store. I think this is it. All right, so that's it. We're gonna ignore the histogram for tonight. We can do that at a later date. Based on the fact that you guys are here for nearly 2 hours and stuff, you'll be tired, and I would want you guys to join me. So guys, we're gonna end now, but we can definitely do this part in our spare time. I think we can do this for the curriculum base coming up. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So guys, we're gonna end on that note. You guys are getting way, way better. Some persons still not confident, but I am starting to feel very confident. Alright, bye. Take care. Go get some rest now, guys.
Okay,
Alright?
goodbye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good job,
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Great job. You guys too. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir. Take care.
Alright,
sir.
you guys are awesome. Get some rest.
Bye, sir.
And the person from the phone, the person that want the tablet, please text me about the tablet if the person is not gone yet and your mommy refused to buy it. Please text me so I can put it down so I can remind mommy when you pass. Alright? Oh, the person is on. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Alright, take care.
Bye, sir.
Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah, we do have regular classes same way, guys.
No, sir. The marathon, do we have your Saturday and Sunday?
Oh no, because I have regular class on Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay, sir.
We're going to be but we're gonna do the performance task in the regular class. So technically, we're still gonna be doing performance tasks. But I'm feeling
Okay,
really
sir.
confident and I'm really excited about the exam.
Okay, sir. Goodbye. That's more.
Yeah, man, we have class tomorrow. We have class. We do.
You want some cotton candy?
All right. So take care, guys. See you soon. All right.
Sir, hope I learn more in your classes.
You definitely will, Kira. You definitely will. This is what it's for, you know. For you guys to be extra, exceptional. That is what we're here for.
70% when the exam comes, sir, me go pass.
That's what I'm thinking also.
Yes,
I
sir.
see improvement every night, so I'm excited about that.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Right, bye.
Bye. Get some rest now, guys.
Right.
All right.